Hello and welcome to the cottage of chaos and mayhem. The kids are the chaos, the rest is just mayhem. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make a classic Irish rosette. So for this I've got the wrong size hook. For this I'm going to be using a 2mm hook, and I'm using 4-ply sock yarn, but the finer the yarn the better because this is a lace pattern and you're going to need scissors. So let's get started, shall we? So first we're going to start by making a magic ring. So wrap our yarn around our fingers, and if there's any of these stitches you're not familiar with, I should have at least most of them by now. A tutorial on how to do most of them in my Learn How to Crochet tutorial playlist. So I've chained one. Now I'm going to work 12 single crochet into the magic ring. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So at this point it should look something like this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pull the ring closed. We're going to slip stitch into the very first stitch, if I can do that today. There we go. Now what we're going to do is we are going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch in the next stitch around. So we're going to have 12 loops. So slip stitch. Now we're going to chain 3 again. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to slip stitch again into the next stitch. One, 2, 3. Slip stitch again into the next stitch. So now you should have 12 little chain 3 loops. Now into each chain 3 loop, what we're going to do is we're going to work a single crochet, a half double crochet, a double crochet, a half double crochet again, and a single crochet. So again, I'm going to do that in the next chain 3 loop, like so. Insert your hook, single crochet, insert your hook into the same space, well, the yarn over, insert your hook into the same space, half double crochet, double crochet into the same space, half double crochet again in the same space, and single crochet into the same space. Again, single crochet in the next chain 3 space like so, and half double crochet into the chain 3 space, double crochet into the same chain 3 space, half double crochet in the same space, and a single crochet into the same space. Okay, and we're just going to keep doing that all the way around. So you've just got to the end of your row. So what you're going to do is you're just going to insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over, pull through, do your slip stitch, put your yarn and pull through. This is much better with a finer yarn, but unfortunately I don't have any to hand at the moment, so I'll be blotting it so that it stays down a bit more. There you have it, the lovely little flower. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do press that like button and subscribe. And I'm just going to show you what it looks like on one of these little bands. So you can start mixing and matching your lovely lace flowers, and you could sew them onto one of these lovely vine headbands, to which a tutorial will be available on YouTube soon. I am currently working through how to do this headband in various different shapes on the top, and I've already done the tutorial on how to do the actual vine and leaves. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, press that like button and subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials to come. I hope to see you next week. Bye!